Oh, girlfriend, and today we're gonna play some more Angry Birds Star Wars. So I'm gonna do some more on the dark side, or should I say pork side? Cause I've only done 6, so let's do the 6th level. Oh, I get to be him. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's pretty neat. Okay, let's see what we can do. Boosh! Okay, fall down on each other. Okay, I don't think that was gonna happen. Let's start this again. He's got the coins! Oh, okay. This is... Boom! The birdie's dead. Goodbye, Mr. Birdie. Done! Yes, I got 3! Thought I was gonna get 2. Okay, level 7. Oh my god, ads, are you serious? Oh my god, ads are... Also, guys, maybe one day I may do a face cam, and if you guys don't know what my real face is, then you guys can check my old channel. I did like a face reveal and face cam too. Yeah, okay. Ah! Okay, ram. Boom. Okay. Okay. Boom! Are you serious? At least he has a little triangle. At least he has a little protection. Okay, oh, wolves. Yeah. Yeah, that seems awesome. Maybe I'll play that one day. If I have time. Okay, push. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Okay, let's ready up. I think we're supposed to like push. There we go. Boom. Well, looks like they killed one bird. Other bird lives. Damn. Are you serious? Oh my god, this is hard. This is... Don't... Just don't hurt it. Man, we've got to waste sleep. Let's see what we can use. No, wait, I'm not going to use them. No, oh man. We gotta restart. It doesn't seem like that was supposed to happen. Okay, yes. Oh, not Torbird. Oh, no. Okay. I believe I can fly. Believe I can touch the sky. Kill him. Man, he sucks. I forgot this guy's name. Palpatine? I think that was his name. Palpatine? No! Yep. Okay, down he goes. Yes, this is working. Not working. Okay. Push. Kill him! Yes! Oh god! Ah, that was scary. And we only have 1. Oh, at least we tried. 2 stars. Yep, 2 stars. Okay, next level. Level 8. Are you serious? More ads. Oh my god, this is going to kill me. Don't care. How are we gonna do this one? This is gonna be so epic. Everyone hold on your epic pants because we're gonna do something epic. Boom! Okay, birdie down. Birdie. Okay. Boosh! Boom! Okay, let's try this again. Except, this TNT, yes! Wait, what was the TNT for anyways? Man, that sucked. Oh wait, I think we get it now. I think I'm supposed to hit both the TNTs to make it explode. I'm gonna kill this dude with the TNT. There, you and your friend are dead. Yes. I think. Yeah, I don't think I need the last TNT. I think that's useful. Boom. Oh! And he got squished. That's what you get, boy. That's what you get for bothering me. Whoa, 3 stars? Man, that's lucky. Okay. Ads, lamest ad ever. Okay. I think we're supposed to hit those like balls up there. Up. Boom! Kill him! Balls coming down. Boom! Wait, I don't think I was supposed to hit those balls. I think I was supposed to hit the one up. I was supposed to hit the ones at the top. Let's move this. And boom! Bam! I didn't even get it. Oh god, I'm so bad at shots. Boom! There we go. That must have worked. Boom, squished. And keep rolling. Keep rolling. Man. Sucks. It doesn't work. Okay, let me see. So which one's over his? Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Boom, kill him. There we go. But how are we gonna kill that dude right there in the yellow? Who's hanging upside down? Bye. That's like the same one. Like him, except he's a hologram. Boom! Okay, yes, all the balls coming down. Yes. Yes, we killed the birds with balls. Basketball. I don't know. Yes, and always the awesome song. Dun-dun! Okay, for a second there, I thought I was gonna get like 3 stars. That'd be awesome if I did. The dumb little bunny in the. Oh, let's go. Okay, that took down a lot of them. Making my way downtown. Bruh. Are you serious? That's it? That thing fell over and I was like, bam. I took a lot of damage. I made my mom proud. Yeah. Ow. Man, that should hurt. Okay, let's go over this dude. Over, y'all. Squish him. Owie. Squish. Okay, we're gonna waste all our birds. And our pigs. Bees. Pigs. Damn, push him off. Push him off. Oh my god, that was dumb. Finished. I'm dead. And always no one was left behind. No trail. 1 star. Yep, 1 star for epic failure. I suck so bad. Let's see how we do this. Okay, that's... Okay, guys, I'll be about... Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna dial. Yeah, okay. I didn't see what happened because that phone call was in the way. Dumb phone calls. Never trust phone calls. Oh, yeah. Wait, what did that mean? That meant nothing. Okay. Boom. Hit the TNT? Nope. Okay. Get over here. Okay, gotta figure out how to make it get closer to the birdies. the birdies. Oh my, okay. Hit the TNT. Never mind. Okay, did we have to hit the TNT? Yes, we do have to hit the TNT. Also, guys, don't listen to the phone call. Okay, okay, boom, hit the TNT. Okay, that was all use. Oh no, he's gonna get squished. He's squished by magnets. I don't care about him. Who is he? Boom. Hit the TNT. Certain death. Okay, I'm dead. There. What? I send that. The little magnet went to the other side. That's pretty dumb. Do I have to deal with all of them? Okay, let's do it like this. Bam. Boom. Epic fail. It's first phone call. What was that? I don't care. Okay, are you serious? Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, boom. Track your birdies. Birds don't care. Wow, that took a lot of damage. Wow. Okay. Yes, that's what I really wanted. That's what I really wanted from the piggy bank. Yes, all the points. Yes, thank you. Okay. Yes. Now let's see a slideshow, shall we? Okay, those little things. Oh god, dude, no. Oh, that's nasty. Look at his nose. Is that his nose? Dude, that's nasty. We're gonna beat those guys. Okay. Oh, that's what they do? Okay, but we'll figure that out next time in the next episode of Angry Birds Star Wars. And maybe I shall do maybe I should do this one with coins. Yeah, I should do that one too. Okay. Yeah, so just like a ton more, boys. And this one is like the Rebels, like the new Star Wars movie. I forgot what. I don't know. I don't know a lot about Star Wars. Okay. Wait, what's this? Oh. Okay. So everyone, I hope you guys enjoy this video of me playing Angry Birds Star Wars, and I'll see you dudes in the next episode. Bye.